Okay, what's up, guys? I'm playing with Liam Obium. Go subscribe to him and subscribe to me. Okay, okay, so
Boston, put it on private.
it is
Hey, stop
private.
recording.
It is private.
It is. Shit. Red gift up.
Okay, so yeah, Liam Obium and go subscribe to Liam Obium and go subscribe to
Now I
me.
uploaded a
Go
video.
subscribe to me or else I'm gonna come to your house and punch you with a Glock. Okay.
That's not a Boston. Jack, ready up. What is that?
Yo, Liam Obium's friend.
What?
Ready up. What the?
Probably.
Guys, who changed it to squad? I thought we were playing box fight. Hello? What just happened? What just happened? Liam, why did he leave? I mean, Liam Obium. Yeah, but who put it on squad? I thought we were playing box fight. I don't know, it wasn't me, cause I was ready up. Okay, you're joining. Good. ASMR. Where is he? Is he gonna rejoin or what? Okay, guys, we're gonna do the best move ever. Crap. Crap. Join. What? Yeah, I guess me versus you. By the way, I am recording. Every time I'm gonna kill, I'm gonna say, bird. So I'm gonna have to say, bird 10 times today. I know. Cause they can, yeah, I'll let you have a spray weapon. They can't hear you, so they can only hear me. Ah. Ah. Okay. I had. Wait, what are you playing on? Yeah. PS4. Oh, I saw you got a PS5 for Christmas. Bro, you talk so quietly, I can't even hear you. Oh. Okay. Switched. Yeah, you can have your spray weapon. You knew. If you want to, you can. You automatically just going off with a spray, dude. Crap, crap, bro, please, bro, you just sprayed me, bro. I didn't even have time. What do you mean, bro? how am I rating if I'm just saying use a sprayer? Alright. Today we're going to... I can't even hit the flopper. Crap. I know, and by the way, that bird. Dude, why are you just spraying? What? Dude, I'm losing my water because you just keep spraying. Now, but I can heal, boy. Bro, by the way, bird. But I'm like, bro, you should have just healed while I was healing. Bro, bird. Dude, that time I didn't even let you spray, bro. I just pushed. Crap, bro. Guys, everybody type in bird and don't spray. Type it in chat, guys. They can't even hear you because you don't want to be heard. Okay. Type in bird and type in spraying is bad. Type that, guys. I don't. Oh, 200 pump. Okay, by the way, type in bird and spraying is bad, guys. Type that in the comments. Oh, I put it on. Up here. Bird. Type in bird and type in whatever it's called. Don't spray. Spraying is bad, guys. I don't even know what Liam is. I don't know what Liam is. Bird, type in bird, and please say spraying is bad. Spraying is so bad. Type in bird and please say spraying is bad. I think I have comments. I don't know. Oh dang, you tricked me. You know what? Wait, no, don't shoot me, I'm gonna let you eat a flopper. Crap, I should have not done that.